We are here at Breakpoint with Nidhi Singh. She is a developer at Pit Network. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you so much for having me.
For those who are new to Pit, how would you describe what is Pit?
Okay, so PIT is a global pricing layer. You can think it of like a price of everything on chain. So we provide the market data, the pricing data for crypto, equities, forex, commodities, and we support more than 110 blockchains. And yeah, so if you need the market data, PIT provides you the fastest market data. The update frequency is 400 milliseconds, which is super fast. So yeah, that's what PIT is to everyone.
Amazing. So, what's the next exciting thing at Pit?
Okay, so right now we are at Breakpoint. We are doing this cauliflower stuff. You should check out this cauliflower.
Yeah.
So see these guys. Okay, so we are working on PIT Pro, which is the fastest price feeds. So we'll get the price feeds at the update frequency of 1 millisecond. And that's very exciting thing that we are working on. So yeah, and it's more of a subscription based model. So it's more of like Spotify for market data. Like you come and subscribe to it, and then you get access to all the assets that we have, and we have close to 2,700 assets across all the blockchains.
Perfect. So, any tips for someone who is looking to start a career in this space?
Okay, I think the entry into Web3 is getting difficult day by day. And what I have just one advice for anybody, like if you want to get into the space, try to find a way how you can contribute to something. Like don't just say I want a job, like try to build something with your skills, try to solve a problem in existing product, and then that's how you will be beneficial to the product, and that's like an easy way to navigate into the system. So do like more open source contributions, just help without expecting something in return, and then do it consistently for a longer period of time. It will give you good results. Yeah.
That's amazing, right? So, if community wants to connect with you, what's the best way to reach out to you?
Okay, so the best way is find me on Twitter. My handle is Nidhi Singh Atri. So that's the easiest way. I'm very active on Twitter these days. And yeah, also have a YouTube channel. If you're interested in educational content, you should check out the YouTube channels. So yeah, thank you so much.